Today, our prime educational objective must be to form persons for others. Respected viewers, today I, Mrs. Smita Seth, a mentor of Nazareth Academy teaching faculty in the Department of English, is here to report about 2-day session on the topic Holistic Health, organized by our Reverend Principal Sister Anita Tigga and conducted by a motivational speaker and resource person for educators, Father Sunny Jacob S.J. The session aimed to enhance holistic well-being, focusing on emotional intelligence, mental clarity, physical vitality, and spiritual grounding. He focused on today's children are intellectually superior but emotionally immature. The goals of the session were as follows: to make human persons the center of every educational program in order to foster their distinctiveness and their capacity for relationship with others against the spread of the throwaway culture, to listen to the voices of children and young people in order to build together a future of justice, peace, and a dignified life for every person, to encourage full participation of girls and young women in education, to empower the family and consider family as the first and essential place of education, to welcome, to educate and be educated on the need for acceptance and openness to the most vulnerable and marginalized, to find new ways of understanding economy and politics, growth and progress, to safeguard and cultivate our common home by the use of renewable energy sources and by taking care of the environment. The key elements discussed included: number 1, detailed examination of the timeline for implementing NEP 2020. Number 2, key principles of National Education Policy 2020 were respect for diversity and local context, equity and inclusion, community participation, use of technology, emphasize conceptual understanding, unique capabilities, critical thinking and creativity, and continuous review. Number 3, introduction of contemporary subjects like artificial intelligence, holistic health, data science, organic living, design thinking, and machine learning. Number 4, transforming assessment for student development, shift from rote memorization skills to formative, more competency assessment. Number 5, reduction in curriculum to promote skill-based learning and minimize rote-based learning. Number 6, teachers and teacher education NEP 2020. Teachers will undertake 50 hours of CDP, that is continuous professional development, every year. Number 8, utilization of complexes and clusters, Bal Bhavan, Samajik Chetna Kendras, sharing resources, efficiency, planning, governance, integration, pairing schools. Number 9, ensure capacity building at all levels, including school management, heads, teachers, staff, parents, community volunteers. Number 10, chief characteristics of adolescence period. Number 11, importance of mentoring. Number 12, child abuse. Number 13, principles of child care. Number 14, AI, that is appreciative inquiry, a positive strength-based alternative to problem solving as means of initiating and managing change in educational institutions. Whatever you focus your attention on, it grows. Number 15, core values needed for mentors: confidence, knowledge and wisdom, motivation, enthusiasm, responsibility, initiative, perseverance, care, collaboration, common sense, self-esteem, and faith in God. Furthermore, it was analyzed that school education is not merely limited to transmission of knowledge. Its goal is to develop students to their fullest potential and to make them self-reliant, critical thinkers, socially sensitive lifelong learners, appreciative of diverse culture and alive to the needs of the society. School should instill in students the power to act both through attitudinal change and behavioral actions, thus making them contributing members of inclusive India and the global community. A teacher can be a good mentor by recognizing and addressing the individual differences of each child to promote their holistic growth. This involves understanding that every student has unique needs, learning styles, and abilities. A mentor teacher fosters a supportive and inclusive environment where these differences are respected and nurtured. By providing personalized guidance, offering encouragement, and creating opportunities for emotional, social, academic, and physical development, the teacher ensures that each child can thrive. Additionally, by being a role model, actively listening, and promoting independent thinking, the teacher helps students develop the skills and confidence they need to succeed both inside and outside the classroom. This holistic approach enables children to grow not just academically but also emotionally, socially, and ethically, preparing them for life's challenges. Great teachers choose to turn inside and look for areas for self-improvement. Hence, as a true mentor, we can make our life meaningful by contributing our best in making the world a better place to live in. Thank you. Despite its muddy and murky environment, similarly, we want our students to grow beautifully like this lotus in this degradation or the things which is prevailing in the society. Amidst that, we want to grow pure, calm, and tranquil. It has become a common symbol of remaining pure at heart, mind, regardless of your roots or context, and for striving its rise above it all. It represents spiritual enlightenment, detachment from materialism, purity, tranquility and calmness, new beginnings, resurrection, rebirth, wisdom, being grounded and remembering one's roots, and the spiritual upbringing of each and every child with moral and ethical background.
The first one is holistic development, value-based education, empowering girl child as we have more percentage of girls, 60 and 40 ratio is there, healthy and safe atmosphere for everyone, for the student as well as teachers, no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste or economy, and parental involvement. We work as a teamwork, we include parent, administration and teachers.
Very good. These are the 5 points you are finding existing. Come on, future.
Good afternoon all. Our future in academics, IIT aims, which we have already taken these 2 points. Third, we are focusing on sports at the level. We are aiming at the Olympic level, but we have started. Second, our entrepreneurship in every sections like fashion, beauty, technology, organization, dance, and music. Then we are focusing on the future of adult tinkering lab, which will involve robotic, machine learning lab, and MET lab, basically matrix lab, which focuses on the coding. Then in the field of sports, where we want to develop our children the discipline, sportsmanship, teamwork, their neuromuscular coordination as well as their kinetic sense with the help of sports.
Very good. That's a very good holistic education.
Third one, we want to make our student a responsible citizen of our nation.
That is overall beautiful. And also you are looking forward to an overall in a holistic way of education. Very good.
Basically, white is known for actually the present Nazareth Academy, and the blue color actually represents the Nazareth Academy actually in future. So present actually this we have good infrastructure, and it shows actually love for nature, this needy, poor, health. Okay, blessings of God is spread here. It is focusing on science and technology, and we have got healthy environment here, which is spreading source of knowledge. Dr. Sir will explain what present.
इस पिक्चर में एक बिल्डिंग को शो किया है जो हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, साथ में बच्चों को जब लोग नेचर से लव करना सिखाते हैं, सेफ इन्वायरमेंट के लिए, उसको शो किया है। स्टूडेंट्स एक हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट में स्टडी कर रहे हैं, वो शो है। उसके बाद गिव एंड टेक का सिंबल डाला है, जो कि हम पुअर्स की हेल्प करते हैं, जो नीडी पर्सन है उनकी हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं सोसाइटी में भी और सभी जगह पर। उसके बाद हमारे पास हमने एक आशीर्वाद का इसमें हाथ यूज किया है कि जो हमारे पास गॉड का ब्लेसिंग्स है, और उसी ब्लेसिंग्स को टीचर्स भी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं, स्प्रेड करते हैं उसको। और एक बहुत बड़ा हमारे पास ज्ञान का समुद्र है, उसको हम धीरे धीरे बच्चों में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, उसको स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं। और अपना हमारा स्कूल अभी भी साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़ा है और जुड़ रहा है धीरे धीरे।
Thank you. Very nice. Next.
Now this blue color actually poster, okay, it shows that we as in future we want Nazareth Academy to have world class infrastructure, which can spread sacrifice, teachers should sacrifice. It should keep on connecting with science and technology. There should be freedom of work, enlightenment should be there, transfer of knowledge. So transfer of knowledge and education, it can be called as the key to success. Future Nazareth Academy can be explained by our
अभी जो हमारी बिल्डिंग है, इमेज करते हैं कि आने वाले समय में एक हाईटेक बिल्डिंग होगी, सभी क्लासरूम्स एसी होंगे, बच्चों को तकलीफ गर्मी नहीं मदद करना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट होगा हमारा जो एक सेक्रीफाइस का सिंबलिज्म दिया है, जो हमारा अपना खुद का एम्बलम है टेलीगन बर्ड्स वाला, तो जिस तरीके से सिस्टर्स अपना पूरा जीवन लगा देती है बच्चों के साथ, बच्चों को डेवलप करने में, बच्चों को इनहांस करने में, वैसे ही हम लोग को भी सेक्रीफाइस करना है। दूसरा, फ्रीडम ऑफ वर्क दिया है। यदि आप अपने वर्क में फ्रीडम रखते हैं तो आप अपनी चीज़ों को बहुत अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट हमारा है कि हमको बहुत ज़्यादा वहाँ पर मैंने जो यूज़ किया था साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, वहाँ पे सिर्फ कंप्यूटर था, बट यहाँ सेटेलाइट यूज़ किया है, तो हम उसमें भी इनहांस करेंगे साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी में। और जो मेरे पास एनलाइटमेंट है, तो उसकी जो रोशनी है वो सभी को स्प्रेड होगी। दूसरा जो हमारा एजुकेशन है वो ऐसा एजुकेशन होगा जो की टू सक्सेस होगा, की टू सक्सेस ओनली नाज़रत अकेडमी।
Thank you.
Physics this is our team efforts and whatever best we could bring out. So at present, this is our school, Nazareth Academy, obviously, Gaya ki Shaan. We have praised the poem also. मैं वो last में पढ़ूंगी. So this is the joint effort, the collaborative effort of all the teachers, the mentors, the coach that are presently working at Nazareth Academy, and those who have worked here, they have given their services, not to forget about them. Obviously, this is the joint effort of all the teachers in motivating, upbringing and lifting the child from whatever best they could give. So this is the hand that you can see, the ladder has all the hands of the teachers. Each hand represents certain ideas. Like the first one talks about equity and inclusion, which is very much practiced in our school. Then the second hand talks about appreciation and recognition of both the learner and the mentors. The third talks about efficient team of mentors. No doubt we are all efficient here. That's why we are here. Then we focus on holistic development of our child. सर्वांगीण विकास की बात हम करते हैं. Then we have conducive environment as well as provided with good infrastructure. So this is all Nazareth Academy at present, and we work on creating a harmonious society, nurturing a holistic individual, making him compassionate, competent and caregiver for the earth, Mother Earth. Now I'll hand over the mic to sir. I'll read the poem at the end.
As ma'am already has explained, and now there is some futuristic plan that we have drawn here. Our direction is like these are the three basic seeds on which this seedling is already has grown: compassion, commitment, and competence. These are the three basic seeds on which this has grown. And what are the 5 points that we have described here into the 5 different leaves? The digitally transformed through sustainable infrastructure, spatial route for guidance and career counseling, peace, justice and strong institution, quality education. It is not only about the today's education. We have to focus on humanness, humanity, because nowadays humanity is under threat. And And after all, whatever the teaching and learning process we are providing, if they won't be a kind of good human being, it is all waste. So on that sense, that quality education we have put here, and good health and well-being. These are the 5 things.
Very good.
To conclude our team effort, हमने कुछ शब्दों में अपने आपको कोशिश की है हमारी भावनाओं को उद्गार करने की। कर्म भूमि है अनुशासन की, कर्म भूमि है अनुशासन की, चरित्र का होता निर्माण, अग्रदूत शिक्षा जगत में, अग्रदूत शिक्षा जगत में हमारा नाज़रत एकेडमी गया की शान। So 3 cheers for Nazareth Academy.
I've already spoke about the strengths of Nazareth Academy. Here we have tried to show in picture 1, which Ms. Shivani and Ms. Priyanka both are holding. Here we have tried to show the different hands coming together, which signifies and highlights the collective efforts of all the teaching, non-teaching staffs, parents, students, and everyone working in the school for taking our school to the greater heights of success. We want to mention the great unity that our school is going on with, that the slogan also we have, that teamwork always makes the dream work. With all these, here are some of the strengths that we have enlisted. First and foremost, the reputed school. Our school is the most reputed school. We feel, yes, we are very happy and proud to be such a beautiful staffs over here, and also we are happy for giving our service in Nazareth Academy. We have reputed school with excellent infrastructure, which includes the future digital library and new auditorium and many more, like digital smart classes we have and many more to see around. We also organize remedial classes, which I think Nazareth Academy is doing the excellent work in the town. Like after a dismissal, we have given opportunities to the underprivileged students to come and get the education and acquire the education from our school, Nazareth Academy. We also have highlighted the activity-based learning, where we have always tried to deal our lessons with the students, showing practically to them and making them valuable lessons by also enlisting our values in our lesson plans, etc. We also focus on the holistic development of our students, and yes, we also are very happy to get a very healthy relationship, not only with the teaching and non-teaching staffs, but also the students, parents and everyone. And also, last but not the least, our school is also very active in organizing various kinds of seminars, workshops, and one of the which we have already been attending from since yesterday. So we are very grateful for all these strengths that our school possesses. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Future.
Good morning to all. In future, to enhance the holistic human development and the quality education to all students, the digital smart board in every classes with the laptop facilities to everyone. A student participation in a class should be according to their interest. There should be an AI robotic lab, and there should be a big sports room and the different game facilities.
Thank you. Very nice. So, maybe the group working on, so I was observing that some are sitting behind, somebody is keeping mobile and going around. So all shows how we are, no? Or anything, contribute. Say at least something, that's important. So this is where we are, for example, you are all telling value and so on. But value has to be practiced by us. We have to work as a team. We have to work everything in a harmonious way. Then only harmony will come into the society. If somebody says that this is not important, then you cannot have a teamwork. No? If there is a rowing a boat. Suppose there are 10 people with that, they are doing this way, and suppose 3 people are opposite, then the speed will be limited. So that's why everyone should get into the same mode. I knew that you needed more time, but because of lack of time, usually this kinds of exercise I conduct. Wherever I go, you can observe. Wherever I go, it is 2 days full. I conduct morning 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. I start till 4 o'clock it goes. Then afternoon lunch break, after the coming back, they do this exercise. So full 2 hours will be given and so on. Anyway, you had in the limited way you understood what should be done, and you look at the chart afterwards, it will be very nice. See. Okay, so I am going to conclude with a small exercise. We will take the photograph after presentation. We may take a photograph here if you wish to have. So the thing is, understanding ourselves and going beyond the ordinary. You are not ordinary creatures. As you are also proud of Nazareth Academy as one of the best elite institutions, in the sense a very good institution here, you feel you are proud of. And that's the first thing for any success, you know. You should feel happy and proud of your institution. And the belonging in a sustainability, we were talking about Abraham Maslow. One of the things is belonging, all of us belonging to this institution. So I'm going to ask you some questions.
हे ज्ञान धनी सम्मान धनी अनुपम विद्या भंडार धनी, हे फादर लोगन है विश्रुत, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल शनि, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल शनि। केरल में कोट्टम ग्राम तेरा, शायद नाम का उच्चारण मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, केरल में कोट्टम ग्राम तेरा है, विश्व पटल पर नाम तेरा। क्योंकि आपके परिचय में सुना था कि आप केवल न केरल के हैं, न केवल जमशेदपुर के हैं, न केवल गया में आकर गया के हो गए, आए हैं, हमारे हैं, कि आप सबके हैं। केरल में कोट्टम ग्राम तेरा है, विश्व पटल पर नाम तेरा। केरल में कोट्टम ग्राम तेरा है, विश्व पटल पर नाम तेरा। शिक्षा के प्रसार प्रवीर प्रणीत, आप संकल्पित हैं, प्रण ले चुके हैं शिक्षा के प्रसार में, क्योंकि आप प्रशिक्षक हैं, शिक्षकों का विकास कर रहे हैं, तो शिक्षा का प्रसार तो आपका मूल धर्म है। केरल में कोट्टम ग्राम तेरा है, विश्व पटल पर नाम तेरा। शिक्षा के प्रसार प्रवीर प्रणीत, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल शनि, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल शनि। उपनाम है जैकब नाम शनि, उपनाम है जैकब नाम शनि। हम शिक्षक हैं सब तेरे ऋणी, पूरा नाजर परिवार आपका ऋणी प्रभु। उपनाम है जैकब नाम शनि, हम शिक्षक हैं सब तेरे ऋणी। अब धन्यवाद के शब्द नहीं, अब धन्यवाद के शब्द नहीं, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल शनि, तेरा नाम बड़ा अनमोल। और मैं प्रभु से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप हमेशा इसी तरह स्वस्थ रहें, सानंद रहें, और उनके कृपा का कर वर आपके सर पर हो। इसके साथ साथ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति मनसा, शांति वचसा, शांति कर्मणा, सुशांति भवतु।
Thank you.